we could see some travel issues on the roads right here at home tomorrow with an atmospheric river on the way. Let's get to Chief Meteorologist Paul Heggen for the first alert forecast. Hey, Paul.
Yeah, Ryan, I know it's not raining on you right now, but if you were out there tomorrow morning, you might get a few sprinkles, and by tomorrow afternoon, SFO and the rest of the Bay Area is going to be seeing some rain. Let's take a look at what's been showing up on First Alert Doppler over the past few hours, and we have seen some radar returns mainly over the North Bay, but what's been showing up is very light, and it's been evaporating on the way down. So zero measurable rainfall despite the presence of these returns on the radar. The radar site is in the Santa Cruz Mountains in the hills above San Jose, technically, but what we're seeing is about 5,000 feet above the ground. The radar beam gets higher as it goes away from the radar site, so this stuff is up there. It's just all evaporating on the way down. That will not remain the case necessarily as we head through the rest of this evening. A lot of what you're seeing on Futurecast is going to evaporate along and south of I-80, but for the North Bay, you are going to see rain showers actually hitting the ground as we head towards midnight. Let's go from midnight tonight through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and the bulk of the rain really is going to be concentrated along and north of Interstate 80. A few showers possible elsewhere, but they're going to be pretty few and far between through about mid to late morning tomorrow. Let's wind the clock forward through noon, and you'll see the rain spreading out across more and more of the Bay Area. The wettest time frame for most of us is going to be from late morning through the afternoon, but the farther south you go, the amounts are going to be much, much lighter because of the later arrival of the rain and the shorter duration of the heaviest rain showers. From noon through 6 p.m., you see the rain continuing for most of the afternoon. Some locally heavy downpours, but again, the flooding threat's going to be low overall with this particular system. And then the rain starts to wind down already as the sun is going down tomorrow evening, and we should see those showers moving out tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Still a chance of a couple lingering showers, especially a little bit closer to Monterey and Salinas through the evening hours on Tuesday. By the time the sun comes up on Wednesday, we're just going to see some leftover cloud cover, not much in terms of an additional shower threat for midweek. So let's take a look at how much rain we do expect overall, and we will start. Oh, this is the atmospheric river scale, which is the wrong thing to look at. So let's take a look a little bit farther ahead and hopefully skip to the next item in the rundown. Here we go. Rainfall amounts. There we go. For the northern half of the Bay Area, we're looking at the heftiest amounts because it arrives earlier, lasts a little bit longer. Generally about an inch to an inch and a half of rain. Some spots approaching 2 inches of total rainfall. But the farther inland and the farther south you go, the amounts are much, much lower, only a quarter inch to a half inch. And even that is the best case scenario for some spots farther inland and the rain shadowed valleys. Again, we're only talking about less than a tenth of an inch of total rainfall for Morgan Hill. Same thing around Hollister. Again, in all likelihood, this is one version of one forecast model. None of them are ever perfect, but it gives us a good idea of the general range of possibilities. There's going to be a noticeable breeze throughout the day tomorrow, but even the strongest gusts are going to be in the 25 to 30 mile an hour range, which leaves us well short of the wind advisory threshold. So that does not look like it's going to be a big concern as we head through the day tomorrow. Just keep both hands on the wheel. And then the rain chances drop to at least near zero, even if they aren't necessarily exactly zero. There's some hint of a little bit of moisture trying to head our way by Monday of next week. That one is a 20, maybe 30% chance. So we're going to put a chance of showers on the 7-day forecast, but it's really not going to amount to very much at all in all likelihood. We'll keep you posted as we head through the next several days. But right now we're focused on that alert day for tomorrow. Again, morning commute, that's where you're going to be seeing sloppy conditions in the North Bay. It's the afternoon and evening commute that's going to be impacted across more of the Bay Area, in fact, most of the Bay Area. And then we dry out and we warm up. Temperatures near or above 70 degrees Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before we retreat to closer to normal temperatures with that chance of a couple showers a week from today.